Hey guys, Dodge here, and I'm back with more tips on how you can improve your audio. I'm going to challenge you today. Your challenge is that the next time you see statements in a story like, she whispered, she cried, she wondered, she yelled, that you actually do that thing. Whisper, cry, wonder, yell. Here's an example of what I typically hear. I want you to leave, she whispered. I want you to leave, she cried. I want you to leave, she wondered. I want you to leave, she yelled. Now, this is what it could sound like if we actually did what the story was directing us to do. I want you to leave, she whispered. I want you to leave, she cried. I want you to leave, she wondered. I want you to leave, she yelled. Knowing how to read a story will require you to actually read the story. It may sound strange, but I know a lot of narrators don't read the full story before they hit record. It may be because of lack of time. Maybe they feel their reactions to the story will be more genuine if they don't. If there's a different reason why you don't read the full story before recording it, leave it in the comments below. I'm curious. And if it helps, you can take notes or copy and paste the story in a Word document so you can highlight the parts giving you direction. I know doing this has helped me to improve the quality of my narrations, and I think it can help you too. And don't forget to leave me a like. Leave me a comment, and this is actually going to be the last audio tip for you guys. I can maybe do one or two more, but yeah, this is pretty much it. I've been listening to a lot of new horror narrators, and these 10, 11 tips seem to be the things that, that are really common with new horror narrators. So, yeah, everything else after this would most likely be really technical, very software specific, and I would need an expert for that. Yeah, I'm still learning, just like you, just like everyone else in a horror community, to be honest. We're all still learning. So if anything pops up, I'll definitely make another tip video for y'all. Don't forget to hit subscribe, especially if any of these tips have helped you hit subscribe. And yeah, just keep improving, you guys. I'm really proud of y'all. Keep moving forward. Bye.